Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. And it's been a pretty long time since we've done a video like this, me taking you guys out on a date. So I got a message a couple weeks ago from a subscriber or a follower on Instagram, and she said I should check this place out. She said there's a place in Bronx called Drips. I was like, yeah, I ride past it all the time, maybe I'll check it out. Is the food good? She said she's never had the food there, but inside looks really good and she's heard a couple nice stuff about it. So here we are today. Now, you guys know I'm checking out 100 Jamaican/Caribbean inspired restaurants here in New York, and this place has Caribbean inspired cuisine. So I'm super interested to check it out. Inside looks really good. I was inside just now, looks really nice. I'll try to capture as much as I can. I don't really like capturing people when they're out on dates because you never know who somebody's out with that they shouldn't be out with. The seating capacity it's probably at like 70 to 80% seating capacity. It's in the week, so it's not a weeknight. And there is parking. So people who are always concerned about parking, they do have parking here. All right, let's head inside. There's a reason why the wet floor sign exists. So Chad from All 4 doesn't get sued for turning the floor into an ice rink. Same reason Morgan & Morgan exists as America's largest Ingy law firm. Because sometimes Chad doesn't have your back. Morgan & Morgan is America's largest Ingy law firm with over 1,000 attorneys, 100+ offices nationwide, with over $25 billion recovered for 500,000 clients. And they've been fighting for the people for over 35+ years. And the best part, their fee is free, unless they win. You can ask my cheap vegan uncle who slipped in the meat aisle. Don't ask me what he was doing in there. If you ever get injured, you can check out Morgan & Morgan. Again, the fee is free, unless they win. You can start by clicking my special link that will be in the description box, or by scanning the QR code with your phone on screen. All right guys, so we are inside. I'm gonna feel kind of like Bruce Wayne. No, something about me just feel like Bruce Wayne right now. You know Bruce Wayne, you know Bruce Wayne. So on the side of the screen, I'm gonna be putting up the menu. Because here's the interesting thing. If you're coming for the oxtail, the curry goat, the more Jamaican things, you need to come on the weekend. And as I mentioned outside, I'm here during the week because it's really a date night. I just really want to have a nice little vibe, and I just thought that why not just show you guys what here is like. There are also some other menu items though that are still Jamaican that you can get in the week. So I'm gonna put in the order. First of all, I love how them serve the thing. Just ordered a drink a thing and it come ice cold. What you call it? The napkin on the top, ice, everything. You feel like something really expensive to buy. So far I like the vibe. And it seems like this is a nice watering hole or a hangout spot for people here that are in the Bronx. Really cool. We had Too Good To Go. I don't remember liking it.
Yes, that's why I was surprised when you said let's come here.
Okay, so Too Good To Go is like when they're gonna get rid of it. So anyway, all right. I was super excited just now because on the menu, I'm just looking for more inspired Jamaican cuisine, and I see that they have here a jerk fried rice. Look at that, jerk fried rice. I'm gonna get that with some shrimp. Sounds really good. However, little backstory. Months ago, I know it was winter because it was cold. There's this app called Too Good To Go where you can order foods from restaurants when they're just about to close and you get it on the cheap. And I think we got like an assortment of stuff and I never too like it still. I figured that this was the same spot, but again, it's Too Good To Go. That's when they are basically getting rid of the food. Like the night's closing off, they're not selling everything and you can get stuff on the cheap. So if you're interested in an app like that, it's called Too Good To Go. Go on the app. It will find food in your area where you can get for like cheap. So if you're thinking of checking out a restaurant and you don't want to spend full price, that is an option. So we're getting jerk fried rice and Rasta Pasta. Lord, let this Rasta Pasta be good. So just found the Too Good To Go order. It was on December 4th. Oh, it was a 2 surprise bag. So the surprise bag, they give you whatever it is that they want to give you at the end of the night. For 13 bucks, we got a lot of food. That's all I can say. Bro, now that I see the pictures, like the kalu was super salty. It was it was salty and the shrimp was just.
Yeah. You were like, I don't like this. I know how disappointed you were. Like, wow, shrimp with that.
Yeah. I was super disappointed because I was just like, yo, Jamaican food. It was disappointing. Again, this was last year, and this was a 2 surprise bag for $13. So surprise! I think it should be way better though, because that's like night closing food. Yeah, should be better. So seeing that me dressed like Bruce Wayne. The dress code for here. The vibes, it feels very much like a after work lounge. So we're midweek, so clearly people coming in from work. And yeah, people dress kind of a little bit down, not too casual, but they can dress down and forward and have a nice little vibe. Yeah, that's it. Them 2 ladies beside me have some pasta. Smell good. Smell really good. Alfred, bring it. So we just got our, what is this? Garlic wings. Yo, this flour is probably gonna be super endangered. I've seen this flour at so many restaurants thus far. Super beautiful, looks tantalizing, looks really glossy and shiny, smells really good. Can't wait to dig into this one. All right, let's dig in. Looks really good. I ain't gonna lie, this looks really, really good. And it's hot. Look at that steam. It looks really hot and fresh. I'm a bit scared to eat this right now. It looks that hot. All right. It really is a honey garlic wing. You get that sweet, sweet honey immediately. It's weird for a spice to feel mild but intense at the same time. Like it's super distinct, the spiciness, but it's not burning hot. It's weird. The sauce is sticky. The garlic flavor is a little bit fainter. But all in all, I think it's a really good lounge wing. It's a perfect blend. Usually I like my wing, the outside to be crispy like this one and sticky with the sauce. But I like the meat to be tender. Some people like the meat to be a little bit more firmer. This is like right in the middle between both. So I think that's a great execution. Each and everyone should enjoy this wing here. It's really delicious. What would you say, a 10?
Yeah, I like it. I'm surprised. I think you're right though. The garlic is very mild on it. You don't really taste the garlic.
Yeah.
Like an essence. Well, I like the stickiness, the sweetness. Good.
Is it because I don't want this flour just to go to waste? In food, anything that they put on the plate, apart from the utensils, should be edible. And it is. That flour is edible. Team Flats, baby. All right, so after having my second wing, yeah, I think I'm gonna go down to a 9. I love the honey on it. I think after a while it felt really sweet. The viscosity of the sauce never felt like honey. There's probably a mixture of honey and probably cornstarch, something to kind of thicken it up, which is not a bad thing. I just wish that there was a little bit more garlic to it, but if you like, the intensity of the sweetness, then it's gonna be perfect for you. The execution on the wing itself alone was really, really good. Yeah, I definitely try the chili, the sweet chili the next time I come back. If you're looking for a night out just to have some drinks and have some wings, it's a good spot. Thank you, sir. Yo, recipes here, and again, the flowers should go extinct. Look at that. Wow. This looks pretty interesting. A little bit static, but very colorful, very playful.
Very Rasta.
Very Rasta. Damn. You tearing through that.
Good. I don't like the bell peppers raw.
You don't like the bell peppers?
They're raw.
They're raw? Oh.
I'd rather than like cook it a little. That was good.
You guys know I'm very finicky when it comes on to rice. Let's see.
It's making me my nose hurt.
Wait, did I say spicy?
Yeah, spicy. I told you. As a kick. It's too spicy?
It's too much of a kick. It feels like it's taking away too much from the flavor. Yo, the moment I heard spicy, I started thinking about that Asian place again. I was just like, God, please. I need some salt. Yeah, this definitely needs salt. You know what? I forget it's a jerk rice. So, it's a jerk rice. Damn, I feel like it's like super spicy, man. Yeah. Is it possible for me to change it? Take it back? When it comes back, can I get a little bit of some salt with it? Yes, please.
You just want to, you want to just do another non-spicy then?
Because I want the same thing again, but I would like it not spicy. Not, as in, what do you have? Mild, medium?
They were both mild.
That was mild?
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Because it don't get any lower than this.
There's not spicy, I can tell. It's not spicy.
You know what?
Fried rice, so they have to put like a little.
That's what I'm thinking in my head. All right, I'll just take some salt, man. I hate doing it, but can I get the mild one, the not spicy one? Yeah, so I can have a better understanding. Thank you. All right, I absolutely hate sending food back to a kitchen because I feel like it's a disrespect to the chef or, you know, whatever. That was a jerk. It was mildly spicy. Was it deafeningly spicy? No, but it was spicy enough for me not to really get the flavors out of the fried rice much. I was a lot more focused on the spice. So I asked them to return it so I could try the non-spicy version, and then I could tell you guys what the spice level is. Because if you really want some heat, you're gonna like that. If you're American and you're afraid of spice, if me as a Jamaican, think twice on that one day, yeah. I don't necessarily want my fried rice to be too spicy. You understand what I'm saying? All right, so this pasta for you is spicy, but it's okay. All right, the sauce on this, in the beginning it looked very static, like I wasn't seeing much sauce, but below everything, there's a nice sauce down here, nice, thick, smooth, so it looks like. I love this Rasta Pasta. This is a good one. Consistency of the sauce is just about perfect. The spiciness is a little bit up there, but it's a Rasta Pasta. I could tone down the spice maybe just like 10%, but besides that, the sauce and the flavors are good. For me, the bell pepper, I don't really have much of an issue with the bell pepper, but I see what you're saying though.
Yeah, it's just small. I get the crunch and the texture, but I want it cooked. I like. You should have sauteed it with some onion. Yeah.
I get what you're saying. God bless America. Because if I was someplace else, they might say they ain't gonna take it back and I'll have to pay for it. The service is really good. The waiter was very patient and very understanding. Let's try this now. So in the dish here, I can see like the scallions, fresh chopped scallions. There's bell peppers in there. There is some type of rice. I'm not sure exactly which one, if it's jasmine or looks like long grain possibly. And there's a lot of different chops of shrimp going all around this. All right, I think that's basically it. Got a nice spoonful there. For me, I just like a little bit more salt to boost some of the flavors in there, but very vibrant, herbaceous fried rice. I honestly think though that I prefer, yeah, it's way better, way better. I honestly enjoyed that Rasta Pasta a lot more, but this is a great dish, especially if you're trying to step out of the box, not having just oxtail, curry goat, fried chicken, you know, Rasta Pasta all the time. This is a very thought out dish. I like that. This for me, I would say, is pretty unique when you're thinking of going to Jamaican restaurants. You don't quite see this dish quite often. And the shrimp are nice and fresh, not overcooked. I love that. What do you think?
It definitely has the essence of the good.
Yeah.
I'm ginger in it too. I think you could use a little more like maybe soy sauce. Like I get why you said the salt.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's why I went to the salt. When I added a bit of salt, it kind of, that umami boosted the flavors a lot more for me. The shrimp is a very nice texture. I would just like a little bit more soy sauce to just boost that flavor a little bit more. I find that the not the mild, but the unspicy version gives me a chance to really taste the jerk flavor. I find with jerk, that spiciness with the chicken works really well, but with rice, when there's so many different separate components that you're trying to taste, yeah. This? Mm-hmm.
They're not stingy with the shrimp.
Not stingy with the shrimp at all.
Soy way. You would order that again?
Mm-hmm. I would. I'll just bring my soy sauce though. All right, so apparently tonight was ladies' night. Let me just say the service is really good in there. It's been a long time since I've been to a restaurant where they give you, they put lemons and blueberries in your water. Pretty classic. I also know that sometimes White Plains Road gets a kind of a bad rap. I'm pretty new to the Bronx, of course, but I rate White Plains Road, you know, as a yard man. And what I really appreciate about this part is that it has a little bit of a difference, you know, a nice little lounge. It's right by the 2 train. So if you're coming from work, you want to hang out. Today is Wednesday, so it's a ladies' night here. You want to hang out with your girls, or even if you're not a girl, you want to hang out with your boys, you're forward, you know, have some nice drinks and have some nice food. Overall, definitely recommend this spot. I think the shrimp fried rice, huge potential there, but for me, it's more like a 7.5. Yeah, could easily get to a 9. And the Rasta Pasta was delicious. If you're coming here, do ensure if you're scared of spice, the mild is spicy, so tell them to kind of notch it down. The fried rice is going to be good. The Rasta Pasta is just the same. If you're scared of spice, just tell them to notch it down a little bit. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching another video. Remember, if you have any suggestions to amazing restaurants here in New York, drop it in the comments and I'll definitely check it out. Remember, you things love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember to keep the link.
If I could take you back to my youth,